Tucum Capoeira methodology is a system for training and playing capoeira that I've developed with my students over the last 25 years. A result of decades of development, its main goal is to provide structure to the different types of capoeira games, whilst still allowing individual style, improvisation, and personal creativity. So what's the methodology exactly? Number 1, counterattack. The methodology runs through every aspect of the different capoeira games, and your understanding of it will develop as you progress through this course. However, one of the main pillars of our system is that capoeira is the art of counterattack. Though many capoeira players think in terms of attack and defense, the TCM structure emphasizes not just defending or escaping, but repositioning for counterattack. This is done through how we use our esquivas and foot placement before and after kicks and movements. Positioning ourselves in relation to the other player is also combined with specific angles, distance, and timing. To help students to understand how we position for counterattack and how the movements relate to each other in the roda, we use the clock system as a teaching tool. This will be explained in much more detail and we'll refer back to it through the course. Number 2, adaptability. Another fundamental of the methodology is maximizing the adaptability potential of each capoeira position. I know that might sound a bit complicated, but it just means keeping as many options open to you when you move to allow for more choices of counterattack in the roda. Anything can happen in a capoeira game and players have to be ready to adapt and reposition based on the changing nature of the situation. Having more options from different positions will make you a more creative and much less predictable capoeirista. Number 3, linking movements and flow. In Tucum Capoeira methodology, capoeira movements don't exist in isolation. Though we learn the movements as individual elements, when we play, the separation between these positions should start to dissolve and each movement then flows seamlessly into the next. This will come through studying the techniques, dedicated practice, and a strong understanding of how to adapt and reposition in the roda. Number 4, control and attention to details. We encourage students to pay close attention to the specific details of every movement. Focusing on the details encourages physical and mental discipline, allows you a deeper understanding of the technique and develops our understanding of body mechanics and how the techniques relate to the other person within the roda. Body control is essential for a capoeirista and the TCM methodology encourages the development of strength, balance and flexibility. Many of the movements in capoeira are very physical and demanding, and in order for you to avoid injury, we must have a good understanding of the current limits of our body and how to develop and increase our physical potential. With increased flexibility, strength and balance, the capoeira player has more control and more ability to adapt when playing. When both players have control and discipline in their game, it also makes the roda safer for everyone as unnecessary accidents can be avoided. Number 5, objectivity. Just as important as this physical aspect is being able to move with purpose when you play in capoeira. Rather than just kicking with speed and power, TCM emphasizes moving with objectivity, especially in regards to repositioning and counterattack. How we move and how we are responding emotionally in the roda will also influence our game, and TCM places an emphasis on not being anxious or rushing, but instead remaining calm and focused on our techniques. So that was an overview of the principles of the TCM. As I said, it will all become clearer as you progress through the course. Really, we developed the methodology so that capoeirista students of any age, body type and ability would be able to play with confidence, control, understanding and safety in the roda. See you in the next video.